Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Bissell 20037 Pet Stain Eraser Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: lightweight design. On an empty tank, the Pet Stain Eraser weighs in at a mere 4.6 pounds. Compared to corded handheld carpet cleaners, this is actually considerably heavier. However, the majority of its weight comes from the rechargeable battery, so there's a slight sacrifice of convenience for portability. Spray, scrub, suction. The Pet Stain Eraser tackles the dirtiest, most concentrated pet and grime stains using a triple-pronged attack involving a detergent sprayer, a stationary brush, and powerful suction. A combination of the three lifts and removes the stubbornest pet stains without leaving residual odors in the process. Cordless Convenience. The Pet Stain Eraser is a cordless handheld unit that offers a ton of flexibility when it comes time to spot clean all sorts of surfaces. The greatest benefit of going cordless is that, as long as there's power and a battery, you can clean anything and everything, from auto interior to upholstery and even garments. 15-minute cleaning time. The Pet Stain Eraser, on a full charge, can deliver up to 15 continuous minutes of deep carpet cleaning. This may seem underwhelming, but remember, this is a handheld unit that's used specifically for spot cleaning, not entire carpet cleaning. 15 minutes is more than enough to remove highly concentrated stains and odors from small areas. To get the battery up to max capacity, the Pet Stain Eraser needs to charge for upwards of 4 hours. Easy maintenance. Taking care of the Pet Stain Eraser is as easy as can be. The brush and suction nozzle are removable to make cleaning grit and debris out of these components a simple process of rinsing and drying. The tank should also be rinsed between each use to prevent residual odors from contaminating your floors during the next cleaning cycle. After everything has been thoroughly cleaned, all of the pieces snap back into place in a jiffy.